The unit that I teach here at ISM is Foreign Operation Methods. Now I think this is a really exciting course, because what I try to do is give you a little bit of theory but balance that with really applying that theory to the real world. In fact, your assessment is exactly that. You've got to develop a blueprint for yourself, for one person, or for your company of going into a foreign market with a Lithuanian product. Anything that you produce in Lithuania, and this year I found lots of fabulous products. And I think the students are going to be very successful. So you identify a product and then you identify where you'd like to export that product to. But while I've been an academic for a long time, I also balance my academic work with a practical business side. With my family, I run a very large dairy, or certainly large by Australian standards and certainly by European standards. I run 600 dairy cows, so we milk every day, twice a day, 600 dairy cows, producing milk and some other byproducts for both the domestic and international market. And with my husband, I run a small import-export business. We import and export agricultural goods. Could be things like embryos or semen, and in addition to that we run a consulting firm. It's probably providing services like training, educational services, and certainly business consulting.